Today's video is about why you should get the Navy Federal Credit Union Platinum Credit Card. I hope you have an account with Navy Federal, but if not, I suggest you go out and go get one. Now, in case you don't know, I already have the Navy Federal Cash Rewards Card, and it's a great card. I mean, I accumulate cash back on all my purchases. My credit limit is high, and my interest rate is super low. Check out my video on how I got approved for the $25,000 cash rewards card when you get a chance. But anyway, look at that APR. It's beautiful. 9.65%. Very low. I love it. But now I want an even lower interest rate. Okay? And the main reason why I want this platinum card is because it has the lowest APR. Today's credit card has somewhere in between about 14 to 24%. That's about the average range you'll see in today's credit cards for the APRs today. Okay? Now listen, if you stay to the end of the video, I'll show you how you can get credit cards with low interest rates. I'll show you how you can have high credit limits on these credit cards, and I'll also show you how to raise your credit score. So stick around for that information. Now listen, Navy Federal credit cards have some of the lowest interest rates you'll find. Okay? But I want the lowest rate interest card because, like I said, it's great if you carry a balance over to the next month. All right? Now, why should I pay more to use Navy Federal's money if I don't have to? Because that's what interest rates are. Interest rates are what the banks charge you to have access and to use their money. So the lower your interest rates is, the less you'll have to pay to have access to their funds. Now the Platinum card, like I keep saying, the Navy Federal Platinum card has the absolute lowest interest rate of all the Navy Federal credit cards. Okay? I already showed you I have the cash rewards card, so I think I may want to go get the Platinum card to add to my collection for that ridiculously low interest rate. Let's go take a look at a Platinum card for a second. But before we go, let me remind you to please take the time to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Show me a little love. It won't hurt at all, okay? Please do that for me. I'd appreciate it. Now let's go check out this Navy Federal Platinum card. Now here we are on the Navy Federal Credit Union credit card site, and I'm just going to take a look at the different kinds of credit cards they have here. But of course we're going to focus on the card that I'm talking about. But look what we have here. This is the card that I already have, the cash rewards, and look at the range of the APR that they offer with the card, the 9.65 being the lowest, which is actually the one that they gave me. So I should feel pretty good that I got the lowest available APR for that card, which is great. And I earn, like I said, 1.5% cash back on purchases. Very good card, very good card. I have no problems with it. And you get other good cards as well, like the Navy Federal American Express, again 9.65 to 18%. The flagship rewards card, slightly higher annual fee. I don't have that card yet. I don't think I will be getting it. I don't like paying annual fees. The Go Rewards card, slightly higher starting APR, 8.99. Another good card. But here's the card that I'm talking about. The Platinum. Look at that low APR, 5.99. Wow. I think my credit score is good enough. I should be able to get somewhere around there, if not the very lowest. But I want a low APR. I mean, the APR I have now, 9.65, is great. Okay, why not pay the least that you can possibly pay if possible? Okay, I'd rather pay the least amount of money to use Navy Federal's money, because that's what interest is. Interest is the amount of money that the credit card companies or the banks charge you to use their money. That's how they make their money. Now, I know I'm going to carry a balance over, not a huge balance. I'm going to stay within the 30% of my credit utilization of my limit, of course, being that I know what I'm doing on how to keep my credit as good as it is. Okay, but I may use this card to carry over a slight balance. I like to buy, I like to have a card I can use to buy, certain things, big ticket items. You never know. Okay, emergencies pop up, things the kids may need, the missus, my mom. You never know. So times like that, especially in the times we're living now, with all this COVID and everything just going on. I mean, you never know. Days like today, every day can be. I mean, it's crazy right now, but I don't want to get into that. So, if I can get this platinum card with its lowest rate I think I've seen thus far for a credit card, it would help me out a lot. Okay, so I may be applying for this card soon. You'll never know. You might see a video later on of me talking about how I got this new Navy Federal Platinum credit card with a 5.99 or 6-7 point APR. Okay, so who knows? Stay tuned. But yeah, I just wanted to show you real quick, what they offer, the APR that they offer with this card. 5.99 is very low. I think the average APRs for cards nowadays is somewhere in the range between 14 and 18%. I mean, wow. Okay, so 5.99 is absolutely great. So that would be the next card I should be applying for from Navy Federal. And you should too if you're looking for a card that provides low APRs, low interest rates, and you carry a balance. And if you do carry a balance, don't go crazy. Don't go over that 30% of your credit utilization. Okay, keep your credit utilization as low as possible. But we all know we don't all bring our balances down to zero. We don't all do that. Okay, that's just not realistic. Okay, but keep it as low as possible. Your credit score, and you'll thank yourself for it. Now remember how earlier I said in the video, if you stay to the end, I'll tell you how to get credit cards with low rates, high credit limits, and how to raise your credit score. Well, go right now and click the link in the description below this video and get my 5 free tips that will explode your credit score, and also how to help you do the other things that I said a little while ago. Okay? Now, after that, you can check out this video and you can see my $25,000 Navy Federal Cash Award credit card and see how I got approved for that card immediately. I mean, it was my first credit card that I applied for from Navy Federal, and it gave me $25,000. So maybe you could take a look at that and see how you can apply it to yourself. So have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next video.